Stop the van restriction error and get Valorant launching. We'll show how to fix the Valorant HVCI enabled error. And if this helps, please like and subscribe. This quick fix actually works. The setting Vanguard wants isn't in Valorant. It's a single Windows toggle called memory integrity, and switching it on clears the restriction. So from the desktop, open the start menu and type core isolation. Then open the core isolation settings page. Once it loads, find memory integrity and flip the switch to on. Windows runs a quick driver scan. As it turns on, let that finish. If that switch is grayed out or shows page not available, your CPU virtualization is off. So enable it in BIOS first. Restart, and as the PC boots, repeatedly tap your BIOS key. Usually delete, F2, or F10 before the window logo appears. Careful here. Wrong BIOS edits can stop your PC from booting, so change only one thing. Turn on virtualization, called VT-X on Intel or SVM on AMD, then save and exit. Back in Windows, the memory integrity switch will now turn on. This change needs a full reboot to take effect, so save anything open, then restart your PC. Give it a minute to apply its startup. Don't interrupt it. Once you're back, launch Valorant, and the HVCI enabled van restriction error is gone. You're clear to play. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Valorant fix videos.